Today we're making margarita cupcakes. They are non-alcoholic. We're going to use 1 box of white cake mix. We're going to pour 1 can of raw limeade into whatever this thing is. How not to pour it in like a maniac. We separated the egg yolks from the egg whites, and we're gonna pour that in. How not to do it. We're gonna pour 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of lime zest. Wait, what do I say again? We mixed all the ingredients together and we're gonna put it in the liners. It's about 2/3 of the way. Right now we're juicing a lime. Now we're making our homemade icing. Now we're gonna add 1 block of softened cream cheese. Now we're gonna add 1 stick of softened butter. Now we're gonna add a zest of 1 lime. Now we're gonna pour the juice of 1 lime. Once the ingredients are done mixing, we're gonna add 5 cups of powdered sugar. And then we're gonna do 1 at a time. We just finished pouring the 5th cup, which is the last cup of powdered sugar we need to make our icing. My mom is going to put the icing in a piping bag and put it on the cupcakes. So we actually forgot to add the green food coloring, so we're doing that now. And these are the finished product. Tell us in the comments if you like them or not.